course, what a beautiful day to celebrate family, community, and the joy of cycling. And of course, welcome to the Shopwise Bike Fest 2026. Shopwise Bike Fest is for everyone. Families, friends, beginners, kids, and cycling enthusiasts coming together to ride, to connect, and to create healthy memories.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for being here with us, waking up very early on a Sunday morning. So we appreciate you being here, and we are hoping that after this very successful third Shopwise Bike Fest, we will see you again next year.
Salamat sa lahat ng nag-participate at malaking masaysayan dito dito sa bayan ng Imus. Napakaraming bisita at I think we are more than 3,000 and talagang fiesta talaga ito, and everyone enjoyed the rides at itong napaganda itong araw nito at hindi mula kagabi pero binigyan tayo ng magandang araw nito. So everyone, I think enjoyed this event.
Good morning sa lahat, and again, thank you for being here, Miss Feline. Thank you for the support from Shopwise the last 3 years. Since we started this event in 2013, of this format, we have been growing, and then nag-pandemic, so naputol. Pero I was telling Sir Larry, Miss Feline, and all of the other friends who came here, ito na po yung biggest na cycling event na community sa buong time na ginawa namin to since 2013. And since si Feline nga was saying na see you next year, my personal aim, Feline, is year 4, 4,000. Because if we do 4,000 riders in one morning, that's really gonna be a very big achievement to Vermosa, to Imus, to Shopwise, and also sa buong cycling community. Ito lang kasi yung araw na they own the road, sarado yung kalye, hindi sila nasa stress na baka banggain sila ng jeep.
Correct.
Tapos, pagkatapos nun, sobra pang daming chika along the road. Kasi, kwentuhan chika pace lang. After that, ang daming breakfast, may longganisa, may kape, may hot pa, may cold, may choice ka pa. Tapos sa dulo ng lahat, may big medal and my big bag from Shopwise. So it's very timely because sad days in the Philippines, but today, it's different. Super good day. So thank you, Ms. Feline, Sir Larry, sa pagsarado ng kalye. At sa lahat ng riders, 3,225 strong. We're gonna see them next year.